Apple's folding iPhone just leaked, and it's not what anyone expected. The design is completely different from Samsung and other foldables, and it could change how we use phones forever. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're breaking down a new leak reported by Forbes that gives us one of the clearest looks yet at Apple's first foldable iPhone. This isn't just another rumor. The report is based on dummy units, which are often used in the industry to reflect real-world dimensions and design direction. And if this leak is accurate, Apple is taking a very different approach compared to existing foldable phones.
According to the report, the leaked dummy units suggest that Apple's foldable iPhone will use a book-style folding design, meaning it opens like a book rather than flipping vertically. But here's the key detail. The device is described as having a passport-sized shape. That means it's expected to be shorter and wider than most current smartphones, designed for a more square-like display when opened. This is very different from competitors that focus on tall, narrow screens.
The wider aspect ratio suggests Apple is prioritizing usability over compactness. When unfolded, the device could function more like a small tablet, making it better for reading, multitasking, watching videos, and productivity tasks. Instead of just shrinking a phone, Apple appears to be expanding what a phone can do.
Most foldable phones on the market today follow one of two approaches: flip style, compact, vertical fold, or book style, tall and narrow when closed. But Apple's rumored design is neither. The passport form factor suggests a wider, more balanced display, which could solve one of the biggest complaints about foldables: awkward screen proportions.
This leak points to something larger. Apple is not rushing into foldables. They're trying to refine the concept before entering the market. What do you think about this passport-style foldable design? Would you prefer this over current foldable phones? If this video helped you understand the latest iPhone foldable leak, hit like, and share this with someone waiting for Apple's first foldable iPhone.